Assalamu alaikum dear friend. Today I can unlock Huawei modem E5573Cs-320. It's a MTN device. This is my client in Uganda. So I can flash this modem and unlock the okay. Now you see this is my device information. This is my client in Uganda. I can online remotely unlocking this device because of my remotely unlocking service 24. If you need my service, contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now you see on screen my WhatsApp number. Contact me. I can online remotely unlock your modem. Okay, now flashing this modem. Okay, the flashing is complete. So before flashing the software version, now you see after flash again I can search modem. Status is unlocked. Okay, the device is unlocked. Now I'm going to reset my modem and watching my SIM card is working, not working. I put the command reset. Device is restarting, waiting few minutes. Okay, the device is restart complete. Congratulations there. Now you see SIM card is working. It's Uganda SIM card. It's other network SIM. It's working. So thank you for watching. If you need my service, contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair.